Hey everyone, this is Sky. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited to make this video. I have two keycaps here that I'm just dying to open up. Now these were sent to me by Dwarf Factory. If you're not familiar with the work that they do, you should definitely check them out. They make some of the coolest keycaps. Now I have never really owned one, so this is the first time I'm opening one up and I'm putting it on my keyboard. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright everyone, the moment of truth has come. I'm so excited to open these keycaps. So let's just go ahead and do this. I mean, I was gonna use my knife, but I don't think it's gonna be necessary. It's just a bag. So it was a bag within a bag. Now I believe when I was speaking to them, they said they were going to send me two keycaps. And guys, just to give you some background story. Now, according to them, they chose the name Dwarf Factory because of the dwarfs in the Norse mythology. They used to make only artifacts for the gods, so they see themselves as being able to make these tiny artifacts, which in fact are these keycaps, as they're like godly-like keycaps or in some sort of way. And now this edition that they sent me, I have never really seen them in person, so I can't wait to open them. But I know they sent me a Miracle Island series, which are based on a story, which is cool that they have a story for that. There are 7 islands where the dwarves get their artifacts and their materials to make all of these godly items. So they made 7 keycaps, one for each island in tribute, because each island provides specific materials that they use to make these godly artifacts. And let's just open these up. Love the packaging so far. It's been very unique. Alright, and here you have a dwarven clan. Oh my god. Just by looking at it, I'm already melting. It looks so cool. I'm gonna have to take these outside to show you guys a true representation of the colors. This video is not doing it much justice. Alright, and let's look at this one. Wow, how nice. Just the level of detail that they have on this. So I believe this one is the Krimish from the Miracle Island series. If you look at that, so polished, so nice. Guys, this is just quality right here. I can only imagine the amount of work they put into this. And of course, Cherry MX stem. And let's open the second one. I have another Dwarven clan. I love the packaging. Very cool. Oh wow. And here we have, I believe it's the Felix from their Miracle Island series. Wow, how nice. When I tell you that the video does not do this justice. Just look at that level of detail, the artwork that they put into this. As you can tell, these are a little bit different than the keycaps that I normally buy. These are a little bit taller. These are SA profile. I'm gonna have to take these outside, definitely. And I just wanted to show you all the actual colors of this in broad daylight. So you can see how nice they actually are. Alright, I'm actually running out of space on my keyboard, but I'll definitely have space for these. So I'm just gonna put them over here, which are keys that I don't really use that much. And let's just see how they both look. Just look how they changed the keyboard just by putting them. They look magnificent. Guys, remember, if you're interested in any of the other keycaps, I have reviews for all of them on the channel. Alright everyone, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I was so excited to make it. I couldn't wait to open those keycaps up. Now I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the keycaps themselves. Now I believe that the Christmas, which I said Christmas earlier, is supposed to be an island that holds all the flowers in the universe planted in it. At least that's the story behind it, and that's where they picked those flowers to make that specific keycap. And then the Felix Lucky Springs is supposed to be springs that are made by the gods, and they're supposed to give you the best of luck. So just wanted to give you a backstory on those, which is the story that they have on their site. And I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Now I want to say thank you to everyone, but I really want to give a special thanks to Dwarf Factory for believing in the channel, for sending me out these keycaps. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Now, I just want to say I admire all types of work that it's at a miniature scale, you know, because I've had people come up and say, like, hey, Sky, it's just a keycap, you know, you're paying 50 bucks for. I truly admire everything that's at a miniature scale. That's one of the reasons why I love mechanical watches, for example. You just have to be so meticulous and so detail oriented to make these things, and I'm pretty sure you have to fail over and over and over before you get it right. And that takes a lot of effort and a lot of time, and I truly admire that type of art. Art comes in all shapes and forms. It's to the eye of the beholder, they say, right? Thank you all so much. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Everyone else who's a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. I hope you all have a wonderful day.